In this video, I'm going to show you how to change keybinds on Roblox. Now, unfortunately, we aren't able to do it in the built-in Roblox app, so we're going to need to install external software in order to do it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any browser like you would normally would. Then please go ahead and look up AutoHotkey and go to the official autohotkey.com website. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Select on download right here and make sure you download the latest version. Alright, then make sure to go ahead and select on download file, open it up once you're done, and make sure all users is selected and press on install just like this. Make sure to give your device permission. Afterwards, go ahead and open up Roblox and let hotkey run in the background. Alright, now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your desktop and let's create a folder. We're able to go ahead and store our hotkey information. So you want to go ahead and right click, then select on new, then you should see auto hotkey script right over here. So select on that, then you want to go ahead and give your script a name. So for this video, I'm going to be calling it Roblox example hotkey right over here, but obviously you can go ahead and name it whatever you like. And you want to verify where it's located in your device, then press on create just like so. Then afterward, you want to go ahead and find it. So for us, it was underneath desktop. Okay, so here it is. So I found it, Roblox example hotkey. Then you want to go ahead and right click and then you want to select on edit script. Then you want to select on notepad, press on OK, then it's going to open something like this. Then once you're here on notepad, you want to go ahead and paste in this command. And this is the command that you're basically going to allow you to customize your keybinds to your liking. So over here, this close back rate will allow you to turn it on the script on. Then you want to open bracket is going to head and exit the script. So keep that in mind, and from here you guys are able to go ahead and just adjust your keybinds to your liking. So let's say for example you want to change a key on a keyboard which typically allows you to go right, and you want to change it for whatever reason. Then you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on the new key. So let's say you want to make sure that's set to C, then you press on these three dots, then press on that and then type in send and then A just like so. That's how you are able to go ahead and change your keybind. So obviously you want to go ahead and adjust it to your liking and make sure that it is optimal for the game you're trying to play. Afterwards, select on the file and select on save. Then afterwards, you want to double click on your script just like so. Alright, and then that's gonna be activated. And then from here, you can go ahead and load into the Roblox and begin using your brand new keybinds. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.